So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at a very interesting Gmail feature. Now Gmail has many interesting hidden features and one such feature will allow you to recall sent messages. You heard me right. Even after the message has been sent, you can undo it and you can undo it for a certain time period. So there are a few settings using which you can do this. So let's go ahead and look at how this is done. So towards the right at the top, tap on the settings grid, tap on see all settings. And now for the setting options that appears under the general tab, you will see there is this undo send thing. So here you can customize your cancellation period. Sadly, you can do this only for a maximum period of 30 seconds. So once you have set it to 30 seconds, scroll down and tap on save changes. So once these settings have been saved, let's go ahead and compose a mail and let me show you how it works in real. So I will send myself a mail or maybe my father and say I send a test mail. This is a test mail. And now when I send this, you will see that the message has been sent, but I still have an option of undoing it. So I can tap on this undo and what will happen is that this message has now been recalled. That is, this message has now come back to my inbox. I mean, it's lying with me. It's not gone now. I can again, I can type in something that test. And again, I can send it. And again, until the time period of 30 seconds is there, until that window is there, I can undo the sending of this message. So I can recall this and I'm calling it back. And again, the message appears with me. Now, where is this helpful? Like certain times you may by mistake have drafted mails and it may have gone and all of a sudden you want to call it back. So this is how you can call back those embarrassing mails that you never wanted to send in the first place. Well, in theory, what happens is this messages or this mails never actually go. They stay for a period of whatever time you have set it to. That's how it actually works in principle, and therefore you can actually call it back. Well, hopefully this all helps. Hopefully now you know how you can recall messages which have been sent in Gmail using this neat little feature here, like under the settings grid. So if you think that this tutorial is helpful and you can undo send things, so please subscribe to our channel. Please do share this with your friends and family. And like I always keep saying, if you can send me feedback, comments, I would really appreciate it. I really want to know what all features you want me to cover, and hopefully we can have tutorials for that in the near future. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.